Hello guys, this is Be Fantastic. And today we're gonna play, I don't know what we're gonna play. I just clicked something, I don't know the name of this. I think it's Monster Truck Racers, I don't know. We're actually gonna play 2 games today, and yeah, there's not much else to say. Sorry, I'm kinda tired. Okay, let's go on first level. Race. Let's race, Oh my god. Great start. Give me the power. Give me the power. Come on. Give me all the power you can give me. Oh. Oh. No. No. I'll lose. I will lose. And this is the first level. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. No. No, 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 no. You're not going in second place, okay? Because I'm going in first. I told you I'm going in first. Ha. I won. Ha. So easy. I didn't sweat at all. Anyway, let's go at the second level. What's this? No. This? No. No. How many? Okay, I'll buy. No, I'll buy this. Oh, it looks horrible. Anyway, let's race. Oh, look at me, how fast I am. Come on, get over him. Kill him. 3? I'm in 3. Oh, okay. Well, let's get this one. Let's get the other one now. The other guy. Where is the other guy? Oh, I found you. Hello. I'm the first place now. Oh no, don't come near me. I'll chainsaw you, okay? If you come near me. I won again. Boom! Can you see that? I won again. Not like those losers. I said click to restart. No. Choose a level. Oh man, I have to redo it. Okay, I'll come back. I'll do it off camera again. Okay, now, you know what? You know what? Sorry, I just have to, redo it. I actually did a mistake on, the camera. Anyway. I don't want to destroy at least one player. I want to win. Yes. Can you feel it? Can you feel the power? Huh? Oh, okay. We have to destroy a player. They're so slow. Ugh. No! I lost again. What's the point of this? Can you tell me what's the point of this? When it destroyed this guy. The green guy. Okay, never mind. Too slow. Okay. Huh. Boom. Okay, I still need to destroy him. Go! Man, they're so... Oh, you're so annoying! Go already! Did I destroy him? No! So close! Yes, okay, I almost did. No! No! I almost destroyed him. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll restart. Give me this. I'll just slap him. Oh, you see that? You see that? Huh? No! Man, they're so annoying. You go first. No, now he's going fast, huh? Oh, you're not dead! Damn it. Front flip. It was a front flip, okay? No! Oh my god, this is annoying! It's really annoying. You don't even know unless you play this game. I say go fast if you don't want to lose, and you're going so damn slow. Yes, finally. Did I destroy one? No, I don't want. Okay, I'll destroy the other one. Where are you? Where is that guy? He did it. He destroyed him. Are you kidding me? Oh my god! God, it's so annoying. This is level 2. Can you imagine? I'll let you go. You have less health than anyone else here, so I'll let you go. Oh, I'm dying now, hey? You'll see who's dying. I needed that. Thank you, game. Oh, this game is annoying. Yeah. I didn't mean to do that. You know what? This game. You know what? Screw this game. I'm going to the other game, okay? I don't wanna do this thing anymore. Oh, what an ad. The annoying ad. Okay, come on. Is this it? Come on. Okay. Is this the game that I wanted to play? Oh, dude. Dude. Okay. Wait. Oh my god, it's annoying. It's annoying. It is just annoying. Okay, begin. Neon. Oh, right. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay. Start the game. Start a game. Introduction. Pick a level. What? Are you kidding me? Is this it? Hold. Okay, hold. Oh, I restarted. Okay, I get it. This game isn't bad. I like this game. It's still too easy. I'm gonna finish. I don't know how many about colors. the hills. Okay. Oh no, I don't want to touch it. Oh, we're gonna try again. Any ore? What? Oh, this is how. Ooh. This is how you win. Oh, this is. Like the, I still like the sound. Oh my god. Yeah! Oh, the walls. Okay. I'll just come back and yeah, okay.